Hey everyone, I am just getting ready because I am headed out to run some errands because today is the day that I'm going to be organizing our linen closet. It is a wreck. I was in there last night and it's just a mess. So I'm gonna go to the Container Store and then I'm gonna go to Target and see if I can find like some organizational type bins, you know, just to make everything look cohesive and nice. So that's what we're doing today. I had a really nice workout. Had a nice little lunch. I'm still on my tuna kick. I don't know what it is. I'm just like really on the tuna kick right now. So by the way, thank you guys so much for your sweet comments on my silent vlog that I posted last week. You guys really enjoyed that. So I'm so happy. I wasn't sure how it was going to be received, but you guys really loved it. So I will be doing more silent vlogs. So yeah, I'm so happy you guys enjoy that because I really enjoyed making that video. It was just so nice, so peaceful. Anywho, that's what's on the agenda. Also, I got some new towels in from Brooklinen. I don't know if you guys remember a few months ago, this was probably like when we first moved in, I had mentioned that we really needed new towels. I never got around to doing it. It's just one of those things where I'm like, look, let's just use what we got. But I really wanted some nice, you know, really nice, luxurious bath towels for us. So over the holidays, Brooklinen sent me some new bath towels. I did choose the white. As you can see, I have a set hanging here. So we got 4 bath towels, 4 hand towels, and 4 washcloths, and I am obsessed. They are so soft, so luxurious, so thick. I mean, the nicest bath towels I've ever used. You guys know we have the Brooklinen bedding and it's an absolute dream. It's like so nice. Absolutely love the bedding set. I love the Marlowe pillows that we recently received, and so now we have the bath towels. Now that we are in the new year, I just feel like I just want to kind of just refresh everything. I am kind of in my organizing era right now. I just want to freshen up things around here, and we're going to start with the linen closet because that is the closet that needs it the most. And since I got new towels, I figured why not go ahead and just get that out of the way so I can check that off my list. If you are in the market for some new towels, head over to Brooklinen. They have so many colors for you to choose from. You do not have to get white. White is just my vibe, but trust me, they have a variety of colors for you to choose from. Also, highly recommend going with the bundle. That's the better value. You can save 17% by getting the Super Plush Towel Move-In Bundle, which comes with 4 bath towels, 4 hand towels, and 4 washcloths. Also includes a bath mat. So I do have a discount code for you guys. You can get $20 off orders over $100. I'll leave all that information in the description box below, as well as the link to take you right over to Brooklinen's site. Highly recommend you guys checking it out if you just want to spruce up your place for the new year, freshen it up a little bit, you know, new year, new vibes in your home. Thank you to Brooklinen for sponsoring this portion of this video. But yeah, that is what we are getting ready to do. We're going to head to the Container Store and Target, and then we're going to come back and get this place, you know, together. Get this linen closet together because it's a mess. I'll show you a before. Trust me, it's a wreck. So let's get going.
Still young That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel, cause I get buff. You told me your new man don't make you, that's a damn shame. You come here, I knock you off the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane. Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have it back on.
Alright guys, here is the finished product. So I'm just gonna go through this really quick, but in this bin I got toilet paper and extra paper towels. We do have paper towels in the kitchen too, but these are just kind of like backup paper towels. This bin is super affordable. It was only $19 and it is collapsible. It's really nice. It has like rope handles, so I like that for the tissue and paper towels. And I wanted this to be low to the ground so that it would be easily accessible for Sefton if he needs, you know, tissue or anything. So I put that there. Then here, these little bins, I'm not sure if I want to keep the handles on these or not. I took one of them off the other one, but they come off really easy and they just look like that. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the handles on or not, but you can still kind of like, you know, use the handle part. So I do like that, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep those on. But anyway, in here is just like little extra laundry stuff. These are really cool. My company sent these to me, but they're magnetic laundry detergent bottles. I'm gonna use them for scent bead boosters and Lysol disinfectant in wash that I use for our laundry as well. So I just have these in there just as a reminder. And they also come with labels. So yeah, that's why these are in here. But yeah, they're just magnetic, and these are really nice because if you do live in a small space and you're trying to conserve space, this is great because you can just stick them on your washing machine and just have them there. But we use pods, so that's why I'm just gonna put little beads, scent beads in there. These are dryer balls for the dryer, and then this is just like a little mesh, little undergarment bag if you want to use, or if you have something delicate that you want to wash. I just have that in there. Over here, these are just my hair tools, flat irons, blow dryers, things that I don't reach for much at all anymore now that I am going to the hair salon, so I just store those there. I have our towels here. Up here we just have PJ's diapers and extra wipes. He does still use the diaper caddy, so that stays fully stocked with diapers, but these are just like backups. And so we just like to keep this fully stocked because we go through diapers like crazy still. We are loving the Millie Moon. We've been using these for a couple months now and they are great. Love these, highly recommend. They're very luxurious diapers for your baby. He sleeps through the night with them, no leaks, no problems, nothing. Great, great, great. Also love the wipes too, super affordable as well. So if you're looking for some really nice diapers for your baby, I would highly recommend the Millie Moon and the wipes. Up here, I just have some extra tissues. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to keep those on. I did take it off the other side, but this off just so I can get the full look. Over here, it's just some little random stuff. This is like PK's little random stuff. His lint brush, his clippers. We got a heating pad in here, and then a steamer. My steamer that my mom got me for Christmas a couple years ago. Up here is just all of our Swiffer duster things that we have. Swiffer mop tools, wipes, and things like that in this bin. Over here we just have Clorox wipes, cleaning supplies, things like that. I wanted to keep this up really high because when you have small kids, you want to keep all your chemical cleaning supplies out of reach. So that is up there, but those are just like backup things. We have wipes underneath the kitchen sink. We have wipes in each bathroom. And so these are just like backup things. And so, yeah, that is pretty much everything. As you guys can see, this is a really small linen closet, but yeah, I think I made it work. So really nice, very functional and aesthetically pleasing. I just wanted to go really simple and neutral. I didn't want everything to be kind of like exposed. I really had to play around with it a lot because at first I had these cleaning supplies in this clear bin, and I did not like the way that looked. I didn't like that you could see all the labels and stuff through. So I just wanted to keep everything really just simple, nice and clean looking. So yeah, that's what we have. And I think it looks really, really nice. So very, very, very pleased with it. Also, I picked up this little teddy bear bin from the little dollar section at Target. I couldn't find it online to link it for you guys, but I found it in a little dollar spot or bullseye spot, whatever it is. And it just has PJ's little random things in here. His little nail clippers, his hairbrush, hair comb, stuff like that. I just thought it was so cute. I'm not gonna keep this in here, but I just thought it was super cute for his little random miscellaneous stuff. So yeah, I'm actually gonna put this on his dresser next to where we change him. So yeah, I will leave everything linked below. I pretty much purchased everything except for this. These are little drawer dividers that I got from IKEA years ago, and they still come in handy. So this is the only thing that I did not buy, but these bins are all new. So I will link those for you, and super affordable and just really, really nice. So all right guys, so the linen closet is finally done. I love all the bins that I got, super affordable. Everything that I got was under $100. All the bins and everything that I purchased will be linked below. But yeah, I am so in love with our linen closet now. It is so functional. Everything has its place. It's so organized. It's just so nice. So that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.